Alright, so if you have never written a single line of code in your life, this one is for you. I'm gonna teach Python the same way I wish somebody taught me. Nothing skipped, no big scary words. If you can send an email, you can do this. First thing, what even is Python? It's just a way to tell a computer what to do. That's it. You type instructions and it follows them like texting orders to a really fast, really literal robot. We are not installing anything today, don't worry. Open your browser, go to this free editor right here, you type your code on the left, and you see what happens on the right. That's the whole setup. Now, watch this. I'm gonna have the AI write us one tiny line, and then I'm gonna break it all the way down so you actually get it, piece by piece. Okay, freeze it. This word right here, print, that just means show me something on the screen. That's all print does. It shows stuff. These little round brackets right after it, that is how you hand something to print. Whatever you put inside the brackets is what shows up. And these quote marks around the words, that is you telling the computer, hey, this part is just words. Don't try to be clever, don't run it. Just show it exactly like it is. So the whole line, read out loud, is basically show these words, done. Let's run it and see. Boom! It said it right back to you. That is real code. You just did the thing most people are too scared to even start. Next time I'm gonna show you how to make the computer remember stuff and even ask you questions. And pretty soon we let the AI build real little apps, and I teach you how to catch the mistakes it makes, 'cause it makes them, trust me. If that actually made sense to you, follow so you don't lose the next one. Alright, let's keep going.